Tutorial of Solar Energy Storage System Connection. Step 1. Inverter connection. Remove the screws under the inverter and connect the battery cable to the inverter. Step 2. Storage battery connection. Connect the battery cable on the inverter to the battery. Step 3. Photovoltaic panel connection. Note the connection of positive and negative electrodes to avoid short circuit. Step 4. Patchboard connection. Note the connection of positive and negative electrodes to avoid short circuit. Finally, check whether the connection is correct to complete the operation.